Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, auto headlight on/off, power sunroof, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, Sirius satellite radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.